Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in last video we saw the concept of IAM users. Now in this video we will see how to create access key and secret key inside AWS account. So by using IAM we can create the groups, we can create the IAM users, then we can create the access key, secret key, then we can create the policies rules. Okay. So maximum we can create 5,000 IAM users per AWS account as well as 300 groups per AWS account. And one IAM user we can add in the 10 groups. Maximum we can add that single user in the 10 groups. Okay, let's understand the concept of access key and secret key. So in the quick links here you can see, so my security credentials is there. So from here we can manage the access key and secret key as well as MFA. So click on this security credentials. Okay, from here we can manage the security credentials of our AWS account. So this is multi-factor authentication, this is access key. Now let's try to create one access key. So by using this we can create the access key and the secret key. So access key and secret key is needed. Suppose I want to manage the AWS by using command line, AWS CLI. So for that we need access key and secret key. So let's try to create one access key. Click on access key, create access key. So click on I understand, click on create access key. So currently I am login using root user. So that's why I got that message. Okay. So this is access key and secret key. So click on show and please make sure to don't share this access key and secret key with anyone, or don't show this access key and secret key with anyone. After this practical, I will delete this access key and secret key. So that's why I'm currently showing to you. Okay, let me copy this. Let me open one notepad. I'll copy this access key and the secret key. Control V and the secret key. Control V. So this is my access key and this is my secret key. Okay. So I'm repeating one more time. Don't share and don't show this access key and secret key to anyone because it is related to the security. So currently I am showing you. I will delete this access key and secret key after this practical. Okay, click on done. So my access key and secret key is created. Now let's open CMD. Now do AWS configure. First do AWS help. So it will show AWS is not recognized. It means AWS CLI is not installed. So let's install AWS CLI first. So I'll go here and I'll type AWS CLI installation on Windows. Okay. So it will show us the commands. So click on this install and update latest version of AWS CLI. Then my OS is Windows. So these are some commands. Download and run the AWS CLI MSI installer for Windows 64-bit. Okay, to confirm installation, start menu. Okay, let's click on this one. So it will download the AWS CLI. So let's wait for some time. So it is 39.5 MB. We can directly run this installer, or alternatively we can use this command as well. Okay, so by using this command also we can install, but I have downloaded, so let's wait. So it's downloaded. Then I'll click on this AWS CLI. So setup is now started. Click on next, accept, next, next, install. So installation is started. So AWS CLI installation is started. So there are another ways as well. Alternatively, you can run this directly command on CMD, but I have downloaded the setup. Okay, we have to wait until this setup is done. Okay, click on finish. Now do one more time. So let me close this CMD and let me open new CMD command prompt. Now I will do AWS hyphen help. Oh, so space then the hyphen help. So command is working. See, command is working properly. Now do AWS configure, hit enter. Okay, now it is asking me the AWS access key ID. I have to put the access key ID. So this is my access key. I have to put here, do enter. Then the access key, secret key. Okay, secret access key. Then the copy this key from here and paste here. Do enter. Then the default region you can give, but okay, see, if you want to give the region, then you can give the region from here as well. Okay, so click on this region, and this is my region Mumbai, right? AP South 1. So I can give AP hyphen South hyphen 1. Then the format you can skip this one, do enter. Okay, now clear the screen. Okay, clear command is not recognized in the CMD. Then type CLS, it will clear the screen. Okay, now do AWS EC2 describe instances. So it will describe the EC2 instances. Hit enter. See, it is showing the EC2 instance which are currently running inside AP South 1 region. So EC2 instance, you can see the group instances, then the reservation ID, architecture, all the things are there. Do enter, enter, enter. So it will show the tag VPC ID. Okay. See, value is Docker, name is Docker and value is Docker. So here also you can verify. See, if I do EC2, click on EC2, instances. See, currently Docker EC2 instance is there. So we have described and it is showing correctly. So by using this, we can manage. We can also create EC2 instance. We can create VPC, S3, all these things by using AWS CLI. So hope you understand the concept of access key and secret key. Let's delete the access key and secret key from here. So I'll go in the IAM section. For deleting the access key, we have to deactivate it first. So currently is active. So click on action, then click on deactive. So access key is deactivated. Now click on action and click on delete. So type this key, access key. So you can copy access key from here and paste here, then click on delete. See, access key is deleted. So this is how you can delete the access key and secret key. So hope you understand the concept of access key and secret key. Then the AWS CLI, how to install AWS CLI, how to configure AWS CLI, then how to deactivate and how to delete the access key and secret key. Bye bye.